choosing the more expensive supplier could actually make you more profit in your business. And although that does seem crazy, I'm going to tell you exactly why. As small business owners, we have to frequently decide which supplier we're going to purchase goods and services from. Now, many good business owners will be weighing up the pros and cons of the different businesses, the service, the quality of the product. All of those things go into their decision making. But very often, if the two suppliers are indistinguishable from each other than the price, then normally the business owner will choose the cheapest option. But I want to talk to you today about just one small hidden secret that you need to be considering in that decision making, because this could actually be making you more profit in your business by going with the more expensive supplier. So I like to look at this. If we've got one supplier offering exactly the same product and exactly the same service, £100 versus £105. So on the face of it, these suppliers are indistinguishable from each other. However, this supplier here offers 7-day payment terms, and this supplier here offers 30 days end of month payment terms. Now, the price difference in these products is £5 or 5%. Now, this is a really important number to keep in the back of your mind, the percentage difference in this. And the reason why this is important is because if you're a business that requires any additional external financing in your business, be it an overdraft, be it a director's loan, be it finance on particular assets, anything like that, where you're paying interest, even a bounce back loan, to a third party, this is by far the cheapest loan that you can get. Because remember, this supplier will only give you 7 days, but this supplier will give you 30 days end of month. And if you can time your purchases perfectly, that's 60 days free credit at just 5% cost. Now, particularly in 2024, when commercial interest rates are ranging from around about 8% to 12% at the moment, depending on the finance product you get, 5% is an absolute steal. And I would even go as far to say that if you could put the difference, so if this supplier, you don't have to pay them for 60 days potentially, if you put this into the bank, you're probably going to be likely to get around 5% interest anyway. And I always make sure that I am doing a calculation to include the cost of effective interest in the calculation when I'm looking at the true cost to my business, to the bottom line.